Oh, this is a weird angle. Is that better? Nice slab of countertop. Let's do a grocery haul. So, because I'm so productive. I'm trying. This morning I woke up around a little bit before 7, which I love. I love when I wake up before 7 in like the 6 o'clock to like 6:50 range. And I just wanted to have a really productive morning so that I could just spend the afternoon maybe going on a walk or on a run or just like exploring nature or just doing something fun and pleasant. So this morning I got True Brew. I got a pumpkin spice latte with almond milk. So good. And then I went to Sprouts. I feel like everyone has their like sanctuary or their like happy place or like their place that they go to for like familiarity and for like fun. Because I'm in Las Vegas and because I like don't really go out, I'm not into like drinking because I can't handle it. For some reason I've just like made Sprouts my sanctuary where I go for fun. I've honestly gone into Sprouts to just walk around. Yeah. So anyways, I went to Sprouts. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul. I also went to Petco for baby Museo, baby boy Museo. Represent. He's bird watching. So let's do a grocery haul. Okay. I'm trying to eat more plant-based, but I am highly considering eating fish again because I miss it and I miss chicken, but for now, we're gonna try to stick to plant-based as much as possible. So I got this vegetable crust pizza with meatless pepperoni, which I love pepperoni, so this I'm excited to try. It's the Daya brand, Daya. So we got that. I am a big proponent of efficiency. I would love to invest time into more cooking and baking, but like throughout the week, generally, I like to have food prepared as quick as possible. So I love buying frozen things that I can just put in the oven or put on the microwave and not have to worry about it. So, roll tacos. These are plant-based chipotle chicken. Also got, oh no, the box got dented. Plant-based beefy. These are with corn tortillas. These are with flour tortillas. I love these. These microwavable burritos, so you can put them in the oven if you're super fancy. These are plant-based Mexicali. These are made with, just kidding. These are so good. These taste like beef burritos from Taco Bell. They really do. So I had to get 3 of them. Got an avocado because I'm from California and we can't survive without these in our presence. And then I got lemons because recently I've been super into drinking lemon water. I feel like it's just helping with like bloat. I've noticed a huge difference since I started drinking lemon water and just feeling like things are moving in the right direction. Cheers. Okay, so I'm gonna put that away and then I'll show you what else I got. Okay, hi Pierre. I hooked Pierre up. Pierre, for anyone that has a cat who's interested, I get Pierre the Tastefuls pate. This is turkey and chicken. And then I also like this brand, Solistic, because it's pretty wholesome. I get him the turkey dinner. He loves turkey. So I got him another turkey and he loves beef. So I got him tuna and beef. He likes tuna as well. And then I got him a bunch of the beef dinners. So yeah, that's Pierre's portion. Okay, got my favorite water, the Alkaline 8 because it has Himalayan pink salt, which we love. Then I thought it would be fun to clean my shower. I don't know. I wanted to do a little bit of cleaning today, so I got daily shower cleaner from Sprouts. I love how they have cleaning products. Coconut water, because I feel like I need potassium. Coconut water. This just looked so good and it was on sale. So I got Elmhurst, I think is how you pronounce it. The oat creamer, pumpkin spice. Are we surprised? No, this is expected of me. Then I love this brand of yogurt, the Cocoyo. It's the pure living coconut yogurt. It has probiotics. This one is not sweetened, which I love. That's it. That's the grocery haul. Sponsor me, Sprouts. last time that I vlogged. I think it was maybe me folding my laundry or something, but anyways, no, it was editing my YouTube video. I think it was the last thing I vlogged. So after I edited my YouTube video that's going to be posted hopefully by tomorrow, It'll be up by the time this is up though. Yeah. So after I was editing my next YouTube video, I went on a run for about 45 minutes. It was very overcast and gloomy and stormy, but it was like kind of fun. So I went on a run, showered, put makeup on for some reason at like 4 p.m. And then it just made me feel better about myself. Then I spilled a bunch of toothpaste on my shirt, but I think it has faded by now. Then I went to Dutch Bros. This is like my dessert. This is like my Saturday night dessert. This is a sugar-free mocha decaf with almond milk. So excited to be drinking this. So I went to Dutch Bros. Then I just got home. I went to get my mail. I'm gonna open my mail, make some dinner, and then I'm going to start watching Mr. Harrigan's Phone on Netflix. So a very chill, mellow Saturday night. But I'm glad I got a big chunk of like cleaning and organizing and doing errands in the morning. I always feel like really good about myself when I get a lot of like productive things done in the morning when I wake up early. So yeah, now I'm sitting on this grounding mat. Thank you, Marissa, for letting me borrow this. I'm gonna make some dinner, watch some Netflix, and enjoy my Dutch Bros. Look how cute Pierre is. What, Bubby? What is it? What? I love you.